Welcome to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast, where we give you information and actionable tips to grow your organization.
Hi, I'm Bob Clark.
And I'm Donna Body. We're with Delos Inc., and we make the web work for you. In today's Tech News Tuesday episode, we're talking about the latest guide from Google on search engine optimization, or SEO. This new guide is specifically aimed at small business owners and how you can help your people find you.
That's right, Donna. You want to make it easy for them to find and explore your content. But what about search engines? They're like the gatekeepers of the internet, helping people discover your website, and that's where SEO comes in.
Absolutely. SEO is all about making your website more visible to search engines and in turn to users who are searching for what you offer. And Google, being the biggest player in the search engine world, has some guidelines to help you improve your site's presence in its search results. So let's break down some key points from Google's SEO Starter guide.
Right. First up, how does Google search actually work? Well, it's like a tireless explorer, constantly crawling the web and adding pages to its index. That means if you've published your site online, Google will eventually find it. But there are things you can do to help speed up the process.
Right. So how do you help Google find your content? Well, one way is through links from other websites. The more links you have pointing to your sites, the more likely Google is to discover it. You can also submit a sitemap, which is like a roadmap of your website's pages in Google's Search Console tool. Search Console will also show you which pages are in Google's index and if there's any issues around indexing any of the pages on your site.
Organizing your site in a logical way is also crucial for SEO. It helps search engines and users understanding how your pages relate to each other.
And don't forget about using descriptive URLs. They not only help users navigate your site, but they also give search engines more context about your content. Plus, grouping similar pages in directories can help Google understand how often your content changes and how it relates to other pages on your site.
Now, let's tackle the issue of duplicate content. You don't want to have it. If you have multiple pages with the same content, Google will choose one authoritative URL to show in the search results. So it's essential to specify your top pages or set up redirects to avoid confusing users and search engines.
Now remember, the most critical aspect of SEO is creating compelling and useful content for your users. This means writing easy to read, unique, and up-to-date content that provides value to your audience. You also need to think about the words that users might search for to find your content, and make sure that you write content that aligns with the words that people are searching for. And lastly, don't get caught up in outdated SEO practices like keyword stuffing. Write for human readers and focus on useful content for your audience. This is also what search engines today are looking for. We hope you found this brief overview of SEO helpful for your small business, and we'll link to Google's full guide in the show notes. Until next time, keep optimizing and keep growing your online presence.
That's it for today's episode. You can find those links on this topic at delosinc.com/episode 332. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our actionable digital marketing tips to grow your organization.